Hey guys, subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. It really means a lot to us and helps our channel grow. Good morning and thank you for joining us today. Today we're at Eaton Canyon and we're going to be hiking to the falls. We're joined here with the wellness hiker group. So let's get going, guys.
Photography is really amazing. Check it out. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for coming.
All right, guys, here we go. Let's do it.
Mondo.
All right, guys, so we got here early and the gates weren't open yet, so we had to park out on the street. But if you come after 8 o'clock, the gates will be open and you'll be able to park inside at the parking lot here. So this is where we're gonna start the trail to Eaton Canyon Falls. Here we go, guys. All right, guys, here's the first water crossing. There you go. So they wick out real easy. Yeah. All right, guys, once you cross the stream here in the wash, you're gonna come to a fork and you're gonna go to the left.
We're gonna line up right here. I'm gonna take a photo from right there. So you guys wanna line up here? Our side. I love hiking. Yay, thank you.
It's a beautiful day out here, guys. Not too hot. Perfect weather for this hike. So this hike is about 3.5–4 miles. So consider, I believe, moderate. Just gotta do some stream crossing back and forth across the stream and the river. The water levels, I believe, are low today, so shouldn't be too bad. So. All right, guys, right here, you don't want to go to the right here. This is going to go up the hill. You want to go towards your left and follow the sign to Eaton Canyon. So if you get mixed up and you start noticing you're going up in elevation, that usually means that you went the wrong way. Actually feels good.
Oh, Mom, you got your roof.
Oh, that's beautiful right there. There you go, there you go. Brother. Ernie. Yeah. Yeah, where the get out. Jay. This is next level videoing.
Hey, that's what's up.
Doing real good, huh?
Yeah, fantastic.
Check it out, guys. We've made it. Eaton Canyon Falls. Check that waterfall out, guys. Beautiful. All right, guys, that's our time here at Eaton Canyon Falls. I hope you enjoyed following us today, and we'll see you in the next one, guys.